Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics with Asmi. This video deep dives into every basic information you would want to know about Power BI. What is business intelligence and why do we need it? Guys, any business that deals with the data directly or indirectly needs a business intelligence tool that helps to take a correct business decisions. With the help of Power BI, data analysis of business intelligence information can be performed. Business intelligence is a piece of software or a technology that transforms raw data into a meaningful and useful information. With the help of this business intelligence, we can do many things as shown in the picture. Business intelligence makes it easy to access and share the information. It also enables the real-time analysis with a quick navigation. It helps to identify the waste in the system and also reduces the risk of bottlenecks. By doing a root cause analysis, we can find where is the problem in the business and you can work on it. Business intelligence also helps you to know your business very well and it improves the decision making process. There are different BI tools available in the market such as Power BI, Tableau, Looker, SAS, etc. But the Power BI is widely used in the industries. Now you very well understood what is business intelligence tool. Now let's see what is Power BI. Power BI is enterprise business intelligence solution from Microsoft. It is a tool that allows you to connect to various data sources, visualize the data in reports and dashboards, and then share them with anyone you want. Now let's see how is Power BI used as a business analytics in an organization. Power BI has an intuitive interface, means it's very user friendly. Just by doing drag and drop, you can create your reports and dashboards. Power BI connects to a range of data sources from basic Excel spreadsheet to a databases and both cloud-based and on-premise apps. Its highly customizable capabilities allow user to create a dashboard so that they can access the data they need quickly. Even we can create a dashboard in a Power BI apps. And last, Power BI ensures that the data is safe, offering complete control on user access and restrictions. Now let's see Power BI versions. There are three main versions. First is Power BI Desktop, which is a free version. Then Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium are paid versions. Power BI Desktop is for personal use and the limitation for this is you can't share your reports to others. Whereas Power BI Pro licensed by a user, it's a quick, easy to use self-service analytics for user requiring collaboration, dashboard sharing, ad hoc analysis and report publishing. Storage capacity for Pro account is around 10 GB and you can upload around 1 GB file in Pro account. Whereas Power BI Premium, which is also a paid version, is licensed by capacity and it is used for large scale organizations. The storage capacity for Premium is around 100 terabyte and you can upload file up to 100 GB to 400 GB in Power BI Premium. Now let's see step involved in Power BI. Once you import a data into a Power BI desktop, you have to do transformation in Power Query Editor where you add the columns, remove the columns and update your data. Then you analyze your data by doing some DAX calculation and you create a data modeling in Power Pivot. After that, you visualize your data and create charts and tables in data visualization Power BI, where you also create slicers and bookmarks. After that, you share your report and publish it in a cloud services, which is a Power BI online. So there are main four components of Power BI, which is Power BI Editor, Power Query Editor, Power Pivot, Power BI Visualization and Power BI Online. Now let's see a Power BI architecture. Power BI is a business suite that includes several technologies that work together. To deliver an outstanding BI solution, Microsoft Power BI Tech consists of a group of components such as Power Query Editor, Power BI Visualization, Power Pivot, Power Map, Power Q&A. So here you can see we import various data sources, near about 100 plus data sources we can import in a Power BI desktop where we create a different visualization. After we create a report, then we publish it to a Power BI service from where we can share it to our colleagues and seniors. So this is all about the Power BI architecture. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.